Alright, so now I've got the passenger side fuel pressure regulator in. All the hoses are attached and I've test pumped it already. I don't have any leaks, which is good. I also ran the driver's side and that is working fine. There's no leaks there. But definitely these things are marked incorrectly. All this stuff that is marked L for left and R for right, this is wrong. This is definitely the right hand controls. This is definitely the left hand controls. Because right now I've got my test switch hooked up to the fuel pump relay and I'll just manually fire the fuel pump. You can probably hear it right now. So right now I've got about 25 inches of vacuum on the pressure regulator. You can probably hear the pitch change once I break that vacuum and then close the regulator completely. There we go. So now the fuel rail is up to full pressure, which is about 58 psi. So now the regulator is completely open and now it's circulating fuel back to the fuel tank through this return line here. I can actually feel it. It feels cold. So there definitely is fuel running through there right now. And I don't see any little drips of gas, so that's good.